It's gone past lunchtime and we decided to, have something here.
You get burger, okay, and half a burger. Just get the water.
Okay. Okay.
Check.
Careful. Check.
You got chicken? Chicken? What the? What is on it? What is on it?
You enjoying your day so far?
Yeah.
Just having something anyway. Hey.
Connor, Sean, come here.
I'm not gonna say.
Oh, they're most active, but
We're panda.
that's you, Dara, when you're tired.
What's in here?
This ugly bird.
Whoa.
Look. That's the one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Whoa, from here maybe.
They're all laying on the cliff. Oh, look, one's up. Up. There's one here. Yeah, up.
Okay.
Here's a close up of it.
Little egrets.
Please. Stop. I'll just borrow it.
Flamengo.
Nothing in here. It's like the YouTube. Like the YouTube flamingo.
Wow. So many of them.
Please don't come in. Oh my god, they look amazing. Cool. Here comes the rain. Here comes the double one. They don't do Chinese twins.
Is it there? It's hiding?
Okay.
Oh,
Might be in the dark.
could be in there.
He's in there. Why is he in there?
Okay.
I saw his head pop out. I saw his head pop. Oh, I see it. Look, there's.
Chicken.
Sam.
Oh.
Big bad wolf.
You must be this high and this high.
Go closer. What's your height?
I'm too short. He looks like
Look, there's a baby.
Join the plane.
Whoa.
Oh, that guy. Yeah, I feel a bit. That baby orangutan is cute. It's so tiny. Wait, that's the size of my plushie. Oh, that big one? Yeah, I see it. The big one. I want that, like, that orangutan. Ah! Oh, Papa! Wait, what animal is that? What animal is it? Oh, Papa! Baby. Gorillas or monkeys did we find? We found a lot of monkeys. What? Oh, look, there's two big ones.
Guys, we're gonna have to make a move. Oh my God, look at them try. Oh my God. It's a orangutan.
I'm going to use your jacket. I put your jacket.
Should be a vai sair um arco-íris.
Alright guys, so we ended up our tour, Dublin Zoo tour I'd say. We're going around. What's your favorite so far? Favorite?
Monkey. Mine
Oh.
is gorilla.
Gorilla. That was so close, wasn't it?
I also like the tiger.
And the tiger.
I like all of them.
Yes?
I also like they were all nice. I also like the red panda. Oh
Yeah.
yeah,
yeah.
the one sleeping.
It's the cutest.
Yeah, the cutest, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, oh, that's good. At least.
The gorilla was the angriest. The one that was hiding under the tree.
That's
Yeah.
not a gorilla.
Oh,
Thing.
That's a chimpanzee.
okay. That's it then. Thanks very much. And bye bye. We're going now. That's it. All good there.